Yo, what's up YouTube? Welcome back to another video on this channel, man. So today we're going to be using high-end skin retouch. As you can see here, I've already installed mine, so I'm going to play it. Then I'll come and start brushing my photo. And zoom so that you can brush properly. In case you find like some places don't need it, don't touch there. Come to the hands, brush it too. Yeah, so we're done. So make a copy of the background, then merge it with the layer, your brush. So now come to camera raw filter, reduce the highlights, reduce the whites, add the contrast a bit, add the shadows, reduce the blacks, then reduce the vibrance a little bit so I can go back to the normal color of the person. Yeah, then here we can see the shadows are now remaining alone that can cut. So come and say quick selection, select quick selection. You know, I like using quick selection. I always been mentioning it in all the videos. I don't like using pen tool. I like using it when I'm finishing. So here cut your photo properly the way you need it. You have to zoom and add zoom so that you can cut properly. Let's go. So now as you can see, I'm done with cutting my photo. Now before you make a copy from this, you have to first right click and place feather, then you put it on 3 or 2. As for this photo I will use 2. Then you press OK. Then here now we can press Ctrl J on your keyboard so that we can remain with, so that we can create more 3 layers. We are now, as you can see, we are having 3 layers. So you can close this and you see your background has been removed. I left something little here, so then you do the same thing too, then press Ctrl J. Then you can see clearly that your background has been removed. So now the next thing we're going to is we're going to cut the cloth of his body so that we can work on the skin.
Okay, let's go.
So just keep on selecting the clothes. Don't select the body this time, because by the time we're going to work on the body, we will need the body when it's alone, because when you try to balance the color of the body, then it will attack the clothes. So we don't want it to attack the clothes. That's why we're cutting the clothes alone, body alone. So this is what we call color balancing now. So make sure you cut your clothes properly. Yeah, I think that's not so bad. So as you can see, I've already finished selecting my clothes. So here, even if you don't press feather, you can also do it, but sometimes you don't need to do it, but let's do it for now. So then you press Ctrl J on your keyboard, then you can see you're remaining with the clothes alone. So on the clothes, go to camera raw filter. Since this color is looking a bit dull for me, I don't feel like I should leave it to be seen. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to reduce all the vibrance, add the contrast, then I reduce the highlights and the whites, add the shadow, add the blacks. So then I'm having a real dark clothes here. So that's what I feel like can match my boy here. So now we are going to make the eyes white. So this time I don't want to use this trick of use saturation. I want to pick it from camera raw filter. So zoom it, then come select the adjustment brush, then unzoom it to the size you want. So add the temperature to blue a bit, then try to brush and see how it will come like. Brush this side too, then come and play with these colors according to the way you see they're looking more nice. You just play with it. So as you can see, mine is already turning. Just play with it according to the way you feel like it is looking fine for the person. So then I feel like that's not so bad. So then come paint this side too. Make sure you paint the black one too, because we need to work on that too to make it look a bit dark, and the white should be alone when the black can be seen, as you can see here. So now I'm adding the clarity. It's just a matter of playing with it, and it's all different in every different kind of person. They are not the same, so every photo you'll have to be playing with this. So now as you can see, we have a photo which is looking nice. Yep. So now let's add some background for it. Let's first give it a plain background like black or orangey. I like orange, yeah. So here we have a photo which is ready. Yeah, that's how you do it. Balance the color, or you can pick another background from wherever you have your backgrounds. And first check mine where the let's first try this one. So how you put the background, as you can see, I've selected my background all. Then I'm going to just carry and drop it here. or you can just come and say Control A, then you press Control X, then you come and you press Control V. Yeah, that's so easy. So then make sure your hands are on shift when you're zooming, because if you don't, your photo might go in a direction that you don't need, so it will lose the shape which was having it. So make sure your hands are always on shift when you are cropping it. So just play with it now. You know the size of the person, you know the size of this thing, how they all can be. I feel like that's it. So give it a shape. Make sure the person is in the middle. Then this left area that has no photo, just come to quick rectangular selection, then select that area and fill it with the content. Where then you can see it clearly, brings anything there that can match. Yeah, so now we have a photo with a background, but this photo still don't look real, so we have to blur it to make it look real. So now select your background, then come to filter, go to blur, then say Irish blur. Then the Irish blur looks like this. So control it in a way that not everywhere is being blurred again, because if everywhere is being blurred, it can clearly look like it's fake. So make it look a bit nice. Other places blurred, other places looking okay. So I think this is okay. And press OK. Then make sure you blur the clothes too, so that to show that the person was inside the background. So there you are coming to filter, blur, tilt shift, then control this, make it down, take this one up. So this shows that the person was in the background. Yeah. So that's how you make your photo. Thank you for watching. Make sure you like, subscribe, hit the button. Yeah. See you on another video.